I bought this so I never have to worry about charging anything ever again. Let's open this thing up. Okay, this thing is actually super heavy. This is the Anker Prime. It comes with a charging station. Let's get this thing opened up. Okay, some premium packaging here. It has a glass front. I believe there's a screen on this too. And that's how you charge it. It comes with a base. Okay, yeah. Here. Here's the base. Here's the base. More C's and USB. Two C ports, one USB at the top. Same thing on the base. So it has a screen on it and it can show you the battery percentage. It'll show you the wattage coming out, temperature, and you can also connect through Bluetooth. This is basically a power station in your hand. I feel like I could charge my Tesla with this. Alright, so in here, you do get a cord. Nice little carrying bag. So let's test this guy out. Oh, there's also another cord, right? There should be another cord for the base, yeah. So this is for the base. This is your power cord for your base there. Can you see?
Yep.
Goes right in there. And then this end in the wall. Alright, let's see how well this thing charges.
I want to hear the ding. Get it close. Make sure your microphone. Perfect.
We have 3 things charging right now. So I got a phone. I got another phone charging right now. Now my daughter loves that she can just plug this thing in and she can grab it and go anywhere she needs to go. She's not stuck at an outlet in the wall. But me and the wife, we love watching movies, watching shows. And there's always a moment where somebody's phone's gonna die. So this thing comes in clutch. Appreciate you guys watching the video. If you enjoyed the video at all, please hit that like button, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.